Hi guys, I'm so happy you're here today. El día de hoy aprenderás los colores en inglés. So let's start.
Blue as the sky. Blue as a fish. Green as the trees. Green as the frogs. Yellow as the sunflower. Yellow as the bananas. Orange as the carrots. Orange as a sunset. Pink as roses. Pink as a cake. Brown as chocolate. Brown as cookies. Black as a car. Black as a cat. White as a cloud. White as milk. Purple as the grapes. Purple as the butterflies. Red as the roses. Red as the apples.
I really appreciate you watch all of this video. So see you around.